Thank you, Madam Speaker. The mediation services provided by the Ministry has been very effective and has been very efficient in terms of trying to address the issues brought up by employees through grievances or disputes that are brought up by the trade unions. Basically, in a mediation, we have a trained mediator who sits and mediates between the two parties so that they can come up with a solution to the conflict between themselves, rather than going to a third party who then decides what the solution what the solution should be. The distinct advantage of mediation is that both parties have an opportunity to be part of the decision making on what the solution is, rather than having a solution that's imposed on them. In terms of the question on how effective it has been, I think one of the most important illustrations of how effective this has been, because in the past, before this current legislation that we have, the Employment Relations Act, a person could only bring a grievance to the ministry if they were a member of a trade union. But under this new legislation that we have, now people can bring their own, whether you're a member of a union or not, you can bring it up to the ministry, and then we use the mediation service to try to resolve the particular issue that they have. Kinds of issues that they bring up will be cases if workers feel they have been disadvantaged, they have been dismissed unfairly, they have been discriminated, or if they were under duress, or in whether they feel that they have been sexually harassed. I'm just looking through some of the statistics that I see here in front of me, that in terms of areas like dismissal, the unfair dismissal of the cases that have been brought to mediation, about 87% of these cases have been mediated successfully. And for the cases of disadvantage, where people felt that they have been unfairly disadvantaged, about 64% of the cases have been mediated successfully. And for discrimination, about 83%. So the success rate is very good. Internationally, mediation, if you get a mediation success rate of around 70% or 75%, that is seen as very good. But in Fiji, on average, you look over the past few years, from 2008, since we've had it, we've averaged around 80%. 80% success rate. I was just looking at also at some of the figures that we have for last year, for 2017. We noticed that a number of cases that were mediated rose from 1,128 to 1,436. That is an increase in number of cases by 27%, but the success rate of coming up with solutions increased from 82.4% to 83.4%. The other advantage is that it is timely. Normally, sometimes when you have a conflict, you take it to the courts. It can take an enormous amount of time, an enormous amount of expense to pay for your lawyer and to be able to fight for your case. But with mediation, for all workers in Fiji, it is timely, because there is a 30-day time limit in which the mediator has to come up with a solution with the parties, and it's also free to all the workers. And I think the last advantage, a great benefit from the mediation services, is that in the ministry we've used this opportunity to not only train our own mediators, but to train other parties from other ministries to learn the skills of mediation so that they can apply it in their own areas of interest. Thank you, Madam Speaker.